Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to sign out Gmail account in laptop PC. Open your Gmail account. There, click on your profile located in the upper corner. Now click on the option Sign Out. You will see your Gmail account with the session closed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.